you see the trackpad? When you move your character, you are able to tap the trackpad, drag it, and release your finger, then your character spell casts.
And this is very cool because you don't see many mobile controllers with this many buttons and a trackpad to do some pretty cool stuff.
Exactly, because we make it for the professional gamers. Those buttons are all programmable, and you don't have to use all of them, but they are just for your options.
Yeah, depending on the game you're playing and how much excitement you need, huh?
Exactly.
Terrific. More information at GameSir.hk, and check out the full radio interview with Hennary at intotomorrow.com.